And did you know?
This kitchen is for dancing. It floats in the bowl. That means the starter is ready to be mixed up.
Yeah.
Stop.
I'm mixing it in.
Great.
Sourdough bread. Like this and there. A lot of it?
Everything.
It's like play. Go sourdough bread.
You want to touch the shaggy stage? No.
Pinch in here too.
Yeah, and then pinch the salt into the dough. Distribute it. Don't move. I'm gonna grab underneath, pull it up and fold it over. Turn. Grab underneath, pull it up and fold it over. Grab underneath, 4 sides. Pull it up and fold it over. I'm gonna grab underneath, pull it up and fold it over.
Don't forget to wrap it.
Today I took my dough out at 10 o'clock in the morning and let it rest for 2 hours to warm up to room temperature. Now is the time to release it onto the countertop. Take a dough scraper and loosen the rim. Indeed, it is alive. And shape the dough into a round ball. Cover it and let it rest up for 30 minutes. The dough rested enough. Let's go and shape it. Put it in the bread bowl. This is the final shape and rise. Let's start with this side. Let's make a rectangle. Grab it, stretch it, fold it. Alright. Some flour on my hands. Tuck it in to make a rectangle again. Okay. Grab it. Stretch it. Fold it. that, stretch it, and fold it. Now, pull the seam over entire bread and tuck it in. Let it rise in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours. This is the final rise. Then we're going to score it on top and pop it into our Dutch oven. So the dough has rested in the refrigerator for approximately 3 hours. And now we are going to shape it and put it in the Dutch oven. I took the loaf out of the fridge. And now we're gonna quickly tip it over. Did y'all see that? Do you think it's in there? Yeah? What's it gonna look like? A mushy mushy dough.
Hey! What's that there?
Yes. Let's see, let's take a peek. That is absolutely beautiful. We are going to get our hot pan out of the oven. Drop the bread in. Tuck, 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 tuck. Ooh. Oh yeah. That just looks amazing to me. And now pop it in to brown it a little more. It has risen and it has the perfect shape. Okay. All right. 15 minutes. I think this is gonna be a good one. Thumbs up. See you in a bit. Now I'm gonna take my bread out and see how it looks. Don't forget those 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. A little bit. Look at that. Now, grab it, lift it. We have our artisanal handmade bread on the cooling rack right here. I'm going to try and see if I can slide it off the paper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Này nhé. Break it apart so we can see the inside nicely. Oh my gosh, it's nice and fluffy.
Bye guys. See you next time. Woo! Stretch that dough. Stretch that dough. Stretch that dough.
Stretch, 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 stretch.
Stretch, stretch, stretch.
He punched me in the face.
Oh no.